Thanks to mature development, technological improvements to the Rafale fighter jet made by Dassault Aviation continue to be carried out. The French Ministry of Armed Forces, DGA, and Dassault Aviation have announced that by 2030 all Rafale jets belonging to the French Armed Forces will switch to F4.2 standard status. From the outside, there is no visible difference between the previous version of the Rafale and the new version. What makes the difference is the system that is integrated into the aircraft so that the latest version of the Rafale will have the latest and most sophisticated technology as well. The manufacturer said that the Rafale's capabilities will continue to be upgraded up to the F5 standard in the 2030s. Before looking further into the features of the Rafale F4, it is good to know first that Dassault Aviation since 1986 has produced at least 4 Rafale models/standards which are classified based on their capabilities. The first is the F1 standard, where this aircraft was first built for the French Navy. Then the F2 standard, which already has air-to-ground and air-to-air combat capabilities. Then the F3/F3R standard with an expanded multi-role level, where the development of this standard has been carried out since 2014 and was completed in October 2018. Next is the F4 standard, which is currently the newest standard from Dassault. This model has been developed since 2018 and will become the standard that will be applied to the entire French Rafale fleet. The upgrade of the old Rafale to the Rafale F4 standard has just been completed by Dassault Aviation. Of the two converted old aircraft, the first aircraft, namely the Rafale B354, was sent back to the EK-130 Côte d'Argent Combat Test Squadron at the base in Mont-de-Marsan on March 2, 2023. Referring to references on AIN Online, this aircraft is designed as 30FU. The F4.1 standard will be used first to conduct training. If explored further, the Rafale F4 has received improved connectivity through new satellite and intra-flight links, communication servers and software radios. This is to increase the Rafale's effectiveness in net-centric combat and pave the way for the Future Air Combat System, FCAS. It is said that the upgrade to the F4 standard, which first flew in April 2021, is a technological leap in the navigation system, weapons, Spectra electronic warfare system, Dalios target designation pod, and RBE-2 ESA radar. This ESA radar has also undergone improvements in terms of the effectiveness of its air-to-ground mode. In terms of other features, there is a Scorpion helmet for pilots. This is an integrated next-generation helmet and new satellite communications equipment based on the installed Syracuse 4 network. For weapons, the Rafale F4 can be equipped with Mica NG air-to-air missiles as well as 3 1,000 kg, 2,200 pound, as a modular air-to-ground weapons. This GPS/inertial guided ASM 1000 Gs bomb has been upgraded. While the traditional Mk84 and BLE-109 bombs, the ASM 1000 Gs guidance kit can also be accommodated, as well as the new BA-84 and P-1000 bombs, being developed by the French company. On the maintenance side, the F4 has a prognosis and diagnostic assistance system with predictive maintenance capabilities. This feature optimizes other scheduled maintenance. especially related to solutions based on big data and artificial intelligence. The Rafale F4.1 is also equipped with a new engine control unit.